Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby Catano and this is Catano Glam English. Today I'm going to be doing a look using a lot of the products from the Boxycharm December box from this year 2018. So if you're interested in watching this video, then go ahead and keep on watching. I don't know what look I'm going to do yet, but as you can see, my face is already pretty much ready to go, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do something on my eyes, my lips, and a few other things. So like I said, keep on watching if you're interested for that. But first, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post. It's always good just to get a notification to make sure you don't miss out on anything. Si quieren ver este video o cualquier otro de mis videos en español, solo tienen que visitar a CATANO GLAM, que se los voy a dejar por aquí, y ese es mi canal en español. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling and now let's really get into it. Okay, so this is what the Boxycharm box for December looks like. When you open it up, it has the hashtag and it has the social media. Everything is just under Boxycharm. And here are the products. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. I genuinely just want to use the products from December because I have yet to try them. First thing I see is this mask. It's a detox activated charcoal mask. And I already have a lot of charcoal masks, so I didn't open it for that reason. As you can see, the top is still on there. I think I'm going to give it away, like a giveaway, or maybe, I don't know, if one of my friends wants it. So that's why I didn't decide to open it yet. The next product that I'm going to show you guys that's in this box is this blush palette from the brand Wander. So it's a blush trio and it comes with 3 shades. 2 of them are blushes, one's darker, one's lighter, and this one I believe is a highlighter. Oh my god, I just swatched it. I don't know if you could see, but that highlighter is so pretty. The next 2 products that I'm super excited about are the lip products, and they are these 2 babies right here. This is from the brand Bodyography and it's called Heatherberry. Looks like a really pretty mauve tone lip liner, and all my lip liners are nude or red, so I feel like this is perfect. And we have something from Tarte. This is the Tarteist lip paint and it's in the shade Insta Famous, so who doesn't want to be Insta Famous? And it's actually a gloss. And this gloss is filled with little specks of glitter. Also, sorry if there's a lot of shadows. Remember that I'm not in my normal studio, so I always try to switch it up so you guys can get a different background, but I don't have all my studio lights here, but that's gonna change. I'm gonna go to Miami soon, and then the videos will be lit up a little bit better. Okay, so the final product that I think is the best one, the one where you're gonna get the most bang for your buck. Oh, my hair is dirty. I mean, messy. What am I saying? Anyway, so the final product is this eyeshadow, and this is from a brand called Suva. I hope I'm saying it right. Suva Beauty. It is cruelty-free, so that's something I really like. Boxycharm works with a lot of brands that are cruelty-free. That's awesome. And what I love about this palette is that it has your neutrals right here that are super easy to use every day. And then it has these more berry tones. And then over here, you have 2 highlighters that you could totally mix and match. So for those of you who don't know about Boxycharm, you can get more info on the link that I have right here in the description box. But just to let you know real quick, you get 5 to 6 beauty products, full size by the way, every single month, only for $21. Okay. If you guys look this up right now online, the Tarteist lip paint, I feel like they're anywhere between like 16 and 20 bucks. So this right here is almost as much as you pay for the entire box. So that's just kind of letting you know how much you get. If you want a little bit more info on subscription boxes, you can go ahead and click the link to this video. I'm going to leave right up here, and it talks about Boxycharm and a lot of other subscription boxes to see if you guys are interested. But let's just hop into the products. Okay guys, so I zoomed you on in. I already did this eye, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I got that look. So let's start off with the eyeshadow. First shadow I'm gonna take is this purple one because I really wanted to create like a brown look, but I was dying to use this shade. So I went ahead and just applied a little, oh wait, I was about to do this without priming my eyes. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. The real first thing I'm gonna do is use this concealer. It is from Wonder 2 and I'm using shade 10. And I'm just applying it on my eyelid with a flat brush from ColourPop. And I'm also using this to kind of clean up under my eyebrow because If you haven't noticed, I did do my brows off camera. So it's always really important to prime your eyes because number one, you have oils that seep out of your eyelids basically. So some people are more oily than others, and if you have oily eyelids, then your eyeshadow can break up and kind of just look super messy throughout the day if you don't lock in a primer first. Regardless as to whether or not your eyelids are oily, your eyeshadow is not going to look the same at all. The colors are not going to be as pigmented and they're just not going to last longer. So it's super important. I am taking a beauty sponge and I just like to kind of blend out the rest of it. So I'm taking some translucent powder and I'm just going to set that concealer to make sure it doesn't move throughout the day or really throughout the process of putting on our eyeshadow. So now we basically have an even canvas. Everything looks the same. A lot of times you will have veins or some discoloration, and that's totally normal. So that's another reason you want to use a primer so that you can kind of start fresh. So finally, we're going to hop into that purple shade, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and putting it right into my crease. And as you can see, this is super pigmented. So we're focusing it into the crease from the outer part going in, and I'm barely putting pressure on it. And then I do want to blend it out a little, you know, kind of not so much like a cat eye, but you see how this eye is a little bit more, you know, blended out? That's kind of what I want to do. It's really important to dust off any excess that you may have, especially if you already have your face makeup, because you don't want to risk getting fallout all over your face and then having to go through the process of cleaning it up. Now I'm hopping into a Sigma Firm Blender E44 brush, and I'm going to take this chocolatey shade right here. It's kind of, well, it's not really chocolatey. It's kind of a mix of chocolatey and reddish brown, and I'm going to focus this right on the crease. Notice how I'm starting out at the very, very corner of the outer part of the eye, and then I'm slowly bringing it in. And that's because I want most of the intensity of the look to be on the outer part. And then I'm like barely bringing it in. So now with another fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and take that same brown and begin to just stamp it on to the outer V. And the reason that I'm using a fluffy brush to do this is because if you notice, while I'm stamping it on, it still looks like it's being blended. It doesn't look like it's being like placed on there. Because if I were to use a flatter brush, then I would have to go back and use a blending brush to blend it all out. This is basically doing those two things at once. And if you notice, I am blending from the outside in. We're really not blending, more like applying it. So without adding any eyeshadow to the original brush that we had, I'm just going to pick it up and just really lightly blend out these edges. And I'm barely putting pressure. I'm holding it from like the really bottom part of the brush. Now when I go like this, it has way more movement, so it's not going to be as harsh. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this NYX glitter glue. I'm going to create kind of like a semi-cut crease with it. And I always make sure to apply it all the way out here, and then with my finger, just kind of blend, because I don't want there to be a harsh line. I'm just going to go and take a little bit more of that brown and make sure that this is nice and blended and there is no harsh line, because sometimes, you know, that can happen and that is not cute. So I have been dying to use this shade ever since I opened up this palette. It is like a bronzy copper orange shimmer. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. Do you guys see this pigment? It's like unreal. You could totally use a flat brush for this because we did put that glitter glue, but whenever you have a shimmer and you apply it with your finger, you're always going to get amazing pigment. So that's the reason that I'm doing that. Picking up that same brush that had a little bit of the brown, I'm going to go ahead and tap right here because I want to make sure that everything is blended and that there are no harsh lines. Adding a little more of that NYX glitter glue just to this part right here because I want to add some more glitter. And I feel like it dried already. For the glitter, I'm going to be using this one from Too Faced. It is called Tinsel, and this is the Glamour Dust. Look at how pigmented this glitter looks. I don't know if you could see it as amazing as I can, but oh my god, it looks so good, especially when you put that glitter glue first, because then it like really sticks on. So I am blending it up until like right here, because I want it to look like a seamless blend between the two tones. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this highlighter Era, which is a beautiful champagne gold shade, and I'm going to put it right here under the brow bone. Oh my god, guys. Look at this highlight. It's like blinding, literally. So I'm going to take that brush that had a little bit of the translucent powder and just blend the glow a little. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this Superstay liquid liner from Wonder 2, and it's in the shade Goldmine. I love this eyeliner because it totally matches with the glitter that we put. The only thing I feel is like it doesn't have good pigment. I don't know why, like the formula is not that good. So I guess I don't love the formula, I love the color. Okay guys, so I'm living for this eyeliner color right now. I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these two blushes. And if you guys can tell, it already gives you like a little bit of a glow. Oh, pretty. Any of the blush left over, I'm just going to apply it like this. So I'm applying the highlighter right now, and I'm using a Morphe M504 brush, and it looks really pretty and golden, but I feel like anyone that has a lighter skin tone than me, this might be way too dark for you, to be honest, because even my nose highlight right here, it's like, I don't know, it's a little too bronzy. So I'm actually gonna tone it down with my powder brush. So I'm actually now applying some of this highlighter because it's a little lighter and I just feel like I needed one that's a little bit more shocking. And I'm going to put it right here. I'm just taking a brown eyeliner and putting it into my waterline. So I'm taking a little bit of this brown tone and I'm taking it on a Morphe 213 brush, and I'm gonna apply it as close to the lashes as possible, like basically right under the waterline. So now with the brush that had a little bit of that purple, I'm just gonna pinch it like this, and I'm gonna apply whatever was left over right under that brown. I'm just gonna apply a little mascara. Okay, so I just lined my lips with this pencil from Bodyography, and I really like the color. I think the color is beautiful, but I feel like the pencil was a little dry. So drier pencils tend to last longer, but they are a lot harder to kind of blend onto your lips. And I do want to add a little lipstick before I put the gloss. So I'm going in with this Stark Naked from Urban Decay. Guys, this gloss smells literally like cake. Oh my god. And it's so pretty. It's very holographic. Like, I don't know if you could see the way the light reflects on it. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the look that I ended up creating with the Boxycharm box from December. Oh my god is all I can say. I loved every single product that came in this month's box, obviously except for the mask because I didn't use that one, but the ones that I did use, I'm obsessed with the lip gloss, and I love how the eyeshadows came out. I think they were super pigmented. So if you guys like this look, leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Remember, I post twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays. Y si quieren ver mis videos en español, solo se tienen que suscribir a CATANO GLAM. Alrighty guys, until next time.